Cheese.
What's that one?
Mitsubishi Evo.
That's right. What's this one?
A Toyota.
What sort of Toyota? Can you remember? Toyota.
Sprinter.
Well done. Good boy. What's that one?
Jaguar E-Type.
That's right. And what's the blue one?
Camaro.
Well done. What's this one?
Aston.
No, not an Aston.
Ja.
No.
Mercedes.
Well done. A Mercedes 300 SL.
Yeah.
What's that one?
Camaro.
No.
Barracuda.
Plymouth Barracuda. That's right. Yep. What's that one?
And a Citroen DS3.
Well done. And what's that one?
Jaguar.
Not a Jaguar. Almost. Ah.
Aston Martin.
Yeah, that's a DB5. Well done. Aston
Yeah.
Martin DB5. What's the yellow one?
A number car.
What is it? A F.
For Mustang.
Well done. What's the red one?
Mini.
Well done. What's this big one?
For Raptor.
Well done. What's this one?
A BMW.
Clever boy. What's that one?
A Volkswagen Superco.
Clever boy. What's this one?
Jaguar.
Well done. That's a D-type. What's the red one?
A Dodge Charger.
Clever boy.
Dodge Charger.
That was a Dodge Charger. What's the white one?
500.
Well done. What's that one?
A Volkswagen
No.
Audi Quattro.
Well done. What's that one?
A mini.
Clever
the
boy.
little One.
What's this one? The orange one.
The big one.
What is it?
BMW 1 Series.
Clever boy. What's that one?
A Volkswagen Prado.
Clever boy. What's that one?
A Mercedes. I want to run that one.
Or maybe you can bring it afterwards. This is Mercedes C63. That one. What's this yellow one?
Audi
Audi what?
A4.
Well done. What's the white one?
Plymouth.
No. Look at the big picture at the top. What is it? A duh? What is it?
Car.
Huh?
Car.
What is it? A duh? Tell Daddy what it is. Do?
Challenger.
A what Challenger?
Challenger.
Yeah, a what Challenger?
It's just a
It's
Challenger.
a Dodge Challenger, isn't it? What's the yellow one?
And I'm doing a Diablo.
Clever boy. What's the blue one?
Mustang.
Well done. What's the black one?
A 430.
Clever boy. What's that one?
A Corvette.
A Shelby.
Cobra.
Clever boy. What's this one?
A BMW 3 Series.
Clever boy. What's that one?
A Bentley.
It is. What sort of Bentley? Can you remember? A Bentley.
A Bentley.
You tell me.
Toronto.
Almost. Bentley Continental. Good try though. What's that one?
Project 5.
Clever boy. Can you remember this one? What is it? A T.
TVR.
Yeah. Can you remember what sort? A TVR. Cigaris, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's that one?
A RX8.
Well done. What's the green one? What is it?
It's a green car.
Yep. Do you remember what sort of car it's? A
Lotus.
Lotus Evora. That's right. What's the red one?
A Ferrari.
What sort of Ferrari? A Ferrari.
250 Testarossa.
Clever boy. What's the blue one?
And Jaguar.
Clever boy. That's an XKRS.
Yeah.
What's that one?
It's a light car.
What is it? A
Tomorrow.
Clever boy. What's this one?
Mercedes again.
No, it's not a Mercedes.
Tomorrow.
No, look at it. What does it look like?
It's Aston Martin.
Clever boy. Can you remember what one? It's a Zagato. What's the blue one?
A GTR.
Clever boy. What's the red one?
Ferrari.
Can you remember what Ferrari it is?
F50.
Not an F50, almost. Look at the TV. Tell me what one it is. A Ferrari F.
40.
Clever boy. What's the white one?
A Lexus.
Clever boy. That's an LFA. What's that one? Stand still.
Audi 8.
Clever boy. What's this one?
McLaren.
Clever boy. Can you remember what McLaren?
Let me look at it.
What is it? A McLaren?
I like that McLaren.
I know you like it, but what is it? An MP?
40.
Almost. MP412C.
Yeah.
What's that one?
Aston Martin.
Yeah, it's a DBR1. What's this one? Stand still, darling.
And I'm getting a bit too loud.
That's right, stop flapping your arms about. You'll knock something over. What's that one?
A blue Porsche 911.
Clever boy. What's that one?
I've got one upstairs again.
You have got one upstairs. What is it?
That one is a Citroen.
That's not a Citroen. It's an A.
It's a Martin.
Yeah. Can you remember what one?
DVR.
It's a 1.
77.
Clever boy. What's the blue one?
A Bugatti.
Yeah. What sort of Bugatti?
EB110.
Clever boy. What's the red one?
A Corvette.
Good boy. What's that one?
A Porsche 911. A green one.
Yep. What's this one?
A Bugatti.
No. What's that one? You know it.
Bugatti.
Not a Pagani. A G.
Blue car.
Yeah. A G.
That one is better.
What is it? A G.
800 minutes.
Gum.
Dumpert.
A gum put what? Can you remember?
It's Zora.
No. A gum put Apollo. Almost though. What's that one?
And I'm doing Aventador.
Well done. What's the red one?
And those 500s.
Yep. Stop swinging your arms around. What's the yellow one?
Noble.
Clever boy. What's that one?
Ferrari.
What sort of Ferrari? Eh?
5th.
No. Eh. Ferrari.
F50.
No. N. Ferrari N.
3.
Enzo.
Enzo.
Can you remember this one?
That one is a stock car.
No, it's a Sir.
Celine.
Well done. What's that red one?
A Ferrari game.
Yep. Can you remember what one that is? I'll give you a clue. Read the numbers at the top. A Ferrari 5.
50.
No, 599.
599.
Yep. What's the orange one?
Ultima GTR.
Clever boy. What's this one? Go back near the TV so Mummy can see you. What's that one?
Pagani.
Pagani what? Can you remember?
It's a racing Pagani.
It is a racing Pagani. A Pagani Z.
Z.
Zon.
Zonda.
Clever boy. What's the red one?
A Ferrari.
It's not a Ferrari.
Bentley.
No. Huh?
Hennessy Venom.
Hennessy Venom. That's right. And what's this one?
A Jaguar E-Type.
No, it's not. It's a
Bugatti.
Bugatti what?
Avon.
Almost. It's a Veyron. Well done.